Number 1. The 1973 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme 2, priced at $6,600, located in Sacramento, California. The car has a salvage title, reason unknown, and an original mileage of 89,000 miles. It does not require an emissions test due to its production year, 1973, and is registered through November 2024. The car runs and drives with a healthy-sounding engine and a transmission that shifts smoothly, despite a small transmission fluid leak that needs to be checked every 2 weeks. The body is straight with a 910 condition, showing no major dents or damage, and the paint is in excellent condition, 910. It comes with 24 red Gema wheels in great condition, paired with low-profile tires with good tread. The headlights and taillights work perfectly. The trunk audio system featuring 212 kickers also sounds great. However, there are some drawbacks, including a cracked windshield and dashboard, windows stuck in the down position, and an interior that needs work such as carpeting, headliner, and weather stripping. The seats are in fair condition, but the overall interior requires further attention. The car is described as a running project but is fully functional and ready to drive. It is priced affordably. Number 2. The 1970 Lincoln Continental Mark III, priced at $7,500, located in Anderson, California. This is one of the luxury icons of the 1970s, featuring a powerful 460 V8 engine with an output of 365 horsepower, offering a smooth and powerful driving experience. The body is straight and mostly rust-free, reflecting years of good care. The car comes with 15-inch wheels paired with Coker Classic white wall tires, enhancing its strong, vintage aesthetic appeal. However, some attention is needed, such as replacing the vinyl roof and reinstalling the driver's door panel, currently stored in the trunk. The odometer shows 50,000 miles, though the actual mileage is unknown, which is common for a car of this age. This vehicle is perfect for classic car enthusiasts looking to restore it to its former glory or enjoy it as is while adding a personal touch. With a rust-free body, classic-style tires, and excellent engine performance, this car offers an exciting opportunity to own a piece of American automotive history. The price is negotiable, making it a good foundation for a restoration project or immediate use with minor additional repairs. Number 3. The 1964 Ford Galaxie 500, priced at $7,000, located in Roseville, California. It retains its original 289 CU V8 engine, with the odometer showing 101,476 miles, rolled over once. The paint and interior are still original, offering an authentic vintage feel. The car comes with new white wall tires replaced last year. The engine runs well and the car drives smoothly, but there is a small radiator leak that can cause overheating during summer. Electrical issues include non-functional headlights, heater, AC, and a broken AM/FM radio. Overall, this car is an appealing classic example, though it requires some minor repairs. The seller is open to reasonable negotiation. Number 4. The 1976 Buick Century Special Landau, priced at $7,000, located in Benton Harbor, Michigan. Equipped with a 307 5.0 small block engine that runs and performs well. The car has been repainted, resulting in a fresh appearance, and comes with new dual white wall tires from Coker.com. The body is solid with almost no rust. Issues include a non-working fuel gauge and a squeaky engine belt, which a skilled mechanic can easily fix. The interior shows wear, especially on the seats, which need attention. However, the roof is clean and damage-free. The price is negotiable, with the seller open to other offers. This car is a great option with a few repairs. Number 5. The 1965 Buick Skylark, priced at $7,500, located in Phoenix, Arizona. This is a project car with a clear open title, equipped with a 300 V8 engine and a 3-on-the-tree manual transmission. The engine cranks when the key is turned but does not start, likely due to the Edelbrock 4-barrel carburetor with an electric choke needing tuning or cleaning after being unused for some time. The car has received many new components with receipts, including a new fuel tank, fuel filter, master cylinder, wheel cylinders on all 4 wheels, new belts and hoses, a chrome air cleaner, new oil and filter, seat covers, and a battery purchased in August. It also features adjustable rear air suspension for added flexibility. The body style is similar to the Chevy Chevelle, but at a more affordable price. The Skylark is believed to require only minor repairs to become a functional project car. However, as the vehicle does not currently start, it will need to be transported by trailer. The owner is not open to trades, as they need space for other projects. Number 6. The 1973 Mercury Comet, priced at $3,500, located in Sacramento, California. The car is in overall good condition. The original engine and transmission still function well, and it has a clean title. The exterior features well-maintained blue paint, with some rust spots and a torn vinyl roof. The wheels have been replaced with a modern Mustang set, giving it a refreshed appearance. The interior is in decent shape but would benefit from a new carpet and has minor cracks in a few areas. The last registration was in 2023, and the car is ready to drive with no major mechanical issues. Recent ignition system repairs have been completed, though the car has been used infrequently. The seller is open to direct price negotiation. Number 7. The 1960 Chevrolet Biscayne, priced at $10,000. Located in Window Rock, Arizona. This iconic classic sedan has a distinctive design and has been driven approximately 100,000 miles. It runs well, powered by an SBC 350 engine and a TH350 automatic transmission, ensuring reliable performance for a classic car. The interior has been fully updated, including new door panels, seat upholstery, and fresh carpeting, providing a comfortable and stylish experience. A new exhaust system with glass pack mufflers adds a characteristic sound. The car is also equipped with a new Edelbrock 4150 carburetor and new tires for improved driving stability. The pastel green paint on the body is elegant, with slight signs of aging like light rust on the trunk. With complete documentation, clean title, the car is ready for use and open to offers or trades, except motorcycles. This vehicle is a perfect combination of classic style and modern performance. Number 8. The 1979 Ford Thunderbird, priced at $3,300, located in Muskegon, Michigan. The car is in good condition and has undergone several updates. It features a 351 Windsor engine, T-top roof, and refreshed paint. The wheels have been updated with new tires, calipers, and rotors currently being installed. The windshield and headlights are also new. It has a dual side exit exhaust system and includes spare chrome accessories and an additional set of T-tops. While the car is roadworthy, a tune-up is recommended for optimal performance, though the engine runs without issues. The leather interior is tidy, but may require minor touch-ups. It is offered at an affordable price or best offer with trade options available. Number 9. The 1971 Ford Mustang, priced at $7,500, located in Aptos, California. It has a V8 351 Cleveland engine, H-code, Holley carburetor, and FMX automatic transmission. Numerous repairs have been made since its purchase in the summer of 2023. Updates include a new fuel tank, spark plugs and wires, starter solenoid, camshaft, hydraulic lifters, push rods, timing chain, timing gear, water pump, major gaskets, and front and rear brake systems. The steering system and exhaust have also been repaired, including a leaky Saginaw steering gearbox. The interior improvements include a new dashboard and additions like a new driver's mirror and Holley electric choke. However, it still needs attention on the rear differential leak, transmission seepage, heater coil replacement, headliner installation, and body rust repairs. Tires also need replacement despite decent tread. With rust that is non-critical, this car offers great restoration potential. It includes spare components like extra wheels, a new heater coil, and a PDF manual. This is a classic car that has had essential repairs completed, but still needs further work. Number 10. The 1972 Dodge Dart GT, priced at $5,000, located in Phelan, California. This car has been modified into a drag vehicle. It features fiberglass front panels, fenders, doors, and a hood to reduce weight for better track performance. The rear end is equipped with an 834 differential with a 4.10 gear ratio, along with an MSD ignition system. It also includes a roll cage for safety during races. The interior is fully modified for drag racing, featuring racing seats and an aftermarket steering wheel. The car currently lacks an engine and transmission, but previously completed 1 8-mile runs in approximately 6 seconds. Its physical condition is good, with some signs of age on the body and interior. The vehicle has a clean title, and the seller offers an engine separately for an additional cost. Number 11. The 1968 Ford Mustang, priced at $8,500. Located in Elkins Park, Pennsylvania, this vehicle has undergone about 95% restoration. It features a 200 CI inline-6 engine and has been repainted in black with green stripes, giving it a sporty yet classic look. The interior is clean, with updated black and white leather seats. However, some components, like the steering wheel, appear to have been replaced with aftermarket parts. OEM spare parts are included to help complete the restoration. According to the description, the car is running and has clean documentation, though it needs minor attention to perfect small details. This is an excellent opportunity for a near-completed classic restoration project. Number 12. The 1958 Oldsmobile Super 88, priced at $10,000, located in Chicago, Illinois. This classic vehicle is equipped with a 371 CU in 6.1L Rocket V8 engine and a 4-speed Jetaway Hydra-Matic automatic transmission. The exterior features bright blue paint with abundant chrome accents, characteristic of the 1950s. The iconic tail fins and chrome trim along the fenders are standout features. The interior retains its original design, with a classic instrument panel and large steering wheel. Although visually striking, the car requires mechanical repairs and general maintenance to return to optimal condition. It was last driven 3 months ago, with upgrades like a front disc brake conversion already completed. This car is an automotive masterpiece needing restoration to revive its former glory. Number 13. The 1957 Ford Thunderbird, priced at $10,000, located in Lake Geneva, Wisconsin. Built by Camelot, this rare model had a production run of fewer than 200 units. It is based on a 1980 Mustang chassis, incorporating modern features such as power steering, power brakes, and power seats. The fiberglass body is in good condition with clean, eye-catching paint. It is powered by a smooth Ford 302 small block engine paired with a 3-speed automatic transmission, both functioning well. The car requires minor fixes, including replacing the tires and adjusting the carburetor, which occasionally floods when idling too long. This vehicle attracts attention wherever it goes and is often praised at classic car shows and on the road. It has complete documentation and is ready for sale. Number 14. The 1976 Plymouth Duster, priced at $4,500, located in El Paso, Texas. This well-preserved car features its original engine and runs, though the carburetor needs adjustment for optimal performance. There are no major mechanical issues, but the windshield washer fluid reservoir is leaking. The exterior is rust-free, with interior rust having been treated and painted to prevent further damage. However, the interior requires restoration, including replacing the headliner and updating seat upholstery. The dashboard is in good condition, though the radio is missing. With some minor fixes, this car is drivable and offers great potential with additional restoration work. Number 15. The 1976 Toyota Corolla, priced at $700, located in Phoenix, Arizona. This is a restoration project. The car lacks an engine and transmission, with the engine bay and interior empty and in need of significant attention. The body panels are intact, though they show signs of wear, including faded paint and light rust. The interior is in poor condition, with many trims and components missing or damaged. The car is sold as a project, with the seller initially planning to convert it into a budget drag car using an LS or 4G63 engine swap. The documentation is available, but requires a Level 3 inspection for legality. The asking price is very low, or the seller is open to negotiation or trades for automotive-related items. Thank you for watching. I'm so happy. Don't forget to keep following this channel, dude.